Alice and I are in northern Michigan, joined by my dad and my brother for a 3-day canoe, fishing, kayak, camping trip. So we got to catch up to them right now. They're about a half mile in front of me. And the weather's just getting windier and windier. Yeah, that's it right there. That's the spot. Nailed it.
I'm gonna slip and bust my ass at this shit.
You take these off with that.
Thinking of doing a big dinner tonight? Still? Yeah? Just tri-tip. Potatoes and stuff?
Tri-tip and, no, just tri-tip and,
Tri-tip and potatoes. So what you're thinking of doing is taking this and putting it over this and then doing it all on top of that?
yeah.
Here and it clumps up, you know.
Yeah, all that juices swell. Whew. Yeah, I caught some heat on that bugger. I can feel it coming right through. Real soon.
You don't have the right glove.
Gotta have the leather. You got me doing this on another video. Don't get any hooks in you because I don't want to deal with that.
I'll just push it through if I do.
Yeah, I'm just gonna push it through. Cut the barb off.
Snap the end off and the other end off.
Everybody was freaking out. And like we went to the doctor was just like, oh, whoop, there we go.
Not as bad as the time that old time doctor Novocaine your chin.
Put the needle through my chin.
Yeah, stuck the needle right through the skin out the other side. And I'm sitting there, and when you hit the Novocaine, it squirted my face. I said, I think you're missing. Oh my God.
Okay, it's up there.
Those pieces right there. Juice.
Good.
Oh, wow.
Good.
Yeah.
Good idea, Brett.
Thank you.
I could hang that on my wall. You could blow that up and put it on your wall, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
it's fucking neat. Neato! Neato! Let's make it like just push everything to the side. Yeah. Atlas. No. Just going around to everything. Look at a few trees already.
I caught a fish right on this point right up here.
Okay.
It was the smallest bluegill I've ever seen. But it was a fish.
It was a fish. It was action.
It was action. It lifted my spirits up.
Kickstart. It's a new canoe. It's a new kind of canoe. Because you probably got plenty of room, right? To get in. Yep. Enough to get us home. 2 live beers, enough to get us home.
Let me get a shot at it. Thank you. The hell? I'm paddling here.
You guys got.
I've seen a bunch of these holes. Who lives in there?
We don't have any
Paper towels or anything.
Oh, something's got my bobber.
Oh, a little rock bass, yeah. At least someone got something.
Just a ball of minnow. Lana?
We do have oil and batter left.
You got a bunch of bobbers.
I got 2 bobbers. Look how many bobbers I got.
Look at it, already got your worm.
The more bobbers, more fish.
Makes sense to me.
coffee's kicking in.
Okay.
Let this rip because I don't know what it is.
Brett, can you give us a push?
Yeah.
See you shortly?
Yep. Come on. Good girl. Stay there. Of course, the sun comes out and the wind calms down the day we leave. Typical Michigan fashion. But we all had a great one on this trip. Hopefully you guys did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Atlas adventure.